running over. And when it is so heavy and compressed, the Lord will drop it on your lap. So, remember that verse. Jesus, when he looked at the fragment in the all over the place, bread. He told the disciples, please, gather all the pieces. This waste I don't like. And there were baskets there, I don't know who brought them. Big baskets. They were there already. So they went into the collection, into the basket. Children were helping. How many baskets did they fill upon the bike? 12. How many? How many? Judas was counting. Judas was always counting. He counted the number of baskets. Then he came back and counted the number of the disciples. How many disciples? How many baskets? So Judas started checking which basket is the biggest. Because already he knew if there are 12, and they are 12, the arrangement of Jesus was for each one of them to take one. The problem with Judas, he had not read the Bible. He had not read this verse. The verse says, give, and it will be given back to you. A full measure. Pressed down, shaken together, running over, back to you. Judas had been given nothing. When Jesus needed help, none of them gave anything. So Jesus, he looked around and he asked a question. He said, now we have these 12 baskets here. I know many of you are wondering where they will go. But let me show you where they will go. He said, by the way, who gave me the food that I have used to feed my people? People, you need to start celebrating now. Peter was always there to answer the question. He said, Master, it is this little boy. Peter said, Jesus said, bring him over. So the boy was brought. Jesus said, now listen, people. My scripture says, give and it will be given to you. This is the boy who gave.